Hyundai Motor Group has signed up to attend the China International Import Expo for 6 consecutive years. Since the first CIIE in 2018, the South Korean automaker has been showcasing various possibilities for hydrogen fuel cell vehicles.
CIIE is an ideal platform for foreign-funded companies to connect with Chinese consumers. Hyundai Motor has participated in all 6 sessions. CIIE helps the accelerated application of hydrogen fuel cell vehicle in China. Every year, the center of the booth is reserved for the hydrogen fuel cell vehicles that consume hydrogen fuel and discharge water. Hyundai Motor Group has shifted from an exhibitor at CIIE to an investor that continues to increase its investment in China. At the 6th CIIE, Hyundai Motor will also bring various new products such as hydrogen fuel cell trucks and buses to help realize the dual carbon goals.
At this year's CIIE, Hyundai Motor will also bring its latest technologies and products.
At this year's CIIE, Hyundai Motor Group will showcase its world-leading technologies and products with a global vision, sharing the future with Chinese consumers. At this year's CIIE, we will showcase 11 models and 2 world-leading hydrogen energy and electrification technology platforms.
Since its entry into the Chinese market 21 years ago, Hyundai Motor has set up 65 legal entities in China with a total investment of more than $18.5 billion. In the future, the company plans to continue to increase its investment in China.
In the future, we will always focus on and continue to invest in the Chinese market, adhere to our steady development in China, and enhance the trust of the industry and market in our brand. The Chinese market is an important support for Hyundai Motor Group's leading strengths and all-around development. In the future, we will continue to increase our investment in Chinese market and continue to bring world-leading technologies and excellent products to Chinese consumers.